Hey everyone! Are you looking for a way to professionally edit videos in Alight Motion right on your computer? Currently, they don't have a desktop version, but we found a workaround. And in this video, we'll show you how to do it. Stick around. Looking at their website, we can see the app is available for Android, which means we can use an emulator. You can download it right from our website. Once the emulator is installed, launch it and download Alight Motion from the Play Store, just like you would on your phone. We are on the main menu, where we can create a new project or use ready-made video presets. If you're a beginner, make sure to check out the tutorials section to learn how to work with the app. The app is packed with tons of templates, meaning you can work with it even if you know absolutely nothing about video editing. Now that we've created a new project, we can start working on videos, motion graphics, shapes, keyframes, and more. Thanks for watching my short review. Don't forget to visit our website to download the emulator. See you next time.